Celebrity just announced a list of 7 new experiences on Celebrity Excel. They didn't say what the 7th one will be, but we think we know what it is. JJ Cruz. Hey everyone, what's up? This is Jordan with JJ Cruz. Thank you so much for clicking into the video today. We are getting so excited about the brand new Celebrity Excel. If you've been on the channel for a while, you know that Jared and I are celebrity super fans. We've been on all of the celebrity mainstream ships, and we've sailed celebrity all around the world. Well, today we're going to go through the 6 things that Celebrity has announced, the brand new experiences on board the Celebrity Excel, and we're going to tell you, maybe spill the tea on what we believe the 7th thing is going to be. And if you love celebrity, you're going to be very excited. Before I get into it, I do just want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. This is JJ Cruz. We are, of course, all things cruising, and we are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. If you love cruising as much as we do, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video today, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Celebrity's newest ship, the Celebrity Excel, is going to be the next iteration or the next generation of Edge class ships. The Edge class has broken down barriers and changed the way that people cruise. As someone that's sitting on the Celebrity Edge right now, I can tell you that this cruise class is some of the best, or the creme de la creme of the cruise industry. Let's talk through these 6 new experiences that Celebrity is going to be putting on the Celebrity Excel. And then at the very end, I'm going to share the one that they have not announced yet, but the one that we think we are pretty sure we know what it is. The first 2 have already been announced, so I'm going to quickly recap them. But the first is, of course, the Bazaar. The Bazaar is taking the place of Eden on the current Edge class ships and will be all about the spice of life. There will be rotating festivals in there, new restaurant experiences, new entertainment. And of course, for those of you that love shopping, there will be new shops in this area as well. We're excited to taste the flavors of spice. We're excited to see the different festivals from around the world they're going to celebrate in this venue, all while taking in breathtaking views from the very back of the ship. The next experience that we do already know about is, of course, Bora, which will be replacing Rooftop Garden. Now, Rooftop Garden is one of my favorite dining venues on board celebrity ships. So while I am disappointed to see this venue go away, the ultimate Mediterranean brunch experience sounds incredible. If you're a Bloody Mary lover, this Bloody Mary bar, ultimate Bloody Mary bar, looks like it's going to be totally delicious, and the food that they have teased in the pictures look like it's going to be quite tasty too. So you better believe we're definitely going to try the new brunch experience that will be all the way on the top of the Celebrity Excel. A brand new experience that they just announced today is the Pool Club. Now, based on the pictures and renderings that we see, the Pool Club looks like it's going to be a Vegas beach club or a day club. They're promising live entertainment, new experiences by the pool, and world-class service. But there's one additional thing that they're promising that I think is very smart: more shade than ever. That is something that was really missing when the Celebrity Edge and the Celebrity Apex came out. Of course, on the Beyond and the Ascent, we did see more shade. And in the Excel, they're saying there will be more shade than ever on this pool deck. So we're super excited to experience the new Pool Club on board the Excel. And we're interested because it kind of looks like they're trying to rival the vibes on board the Virgin ships. The next new experience that they just announced is the Attic at the Club. Now, the club is, of course, part entertainment space, part nightclub, part trivia spot if you play trivia. Well, from what it sounds like, the upper area of the club, maybe on deck 5, is going to be the attic, which is going to house things like pool, darts, other gaming experiences. They said that there will be classic arcade games. I think this will be a very popular spot on the Excel, and I'm excited to see maybe an expansion of what we thought was one of the better areas on the Celebrity Ascent. Next up is important, especially if you have an Aqua class stateroom booked on board the Celebrity Excel. They are revamping the spa on the Celebrity Excel, and they have added a vitamin D deck, so more deck or outdoor space for you to lounge and relax in the spa area, as well as a hydro room. Now, we haven't seen a thalassotherapy pool or a hot tub in a celebrity spa, well, and maybe ever. So we're really excited to see this hydro room be coming to the Celebrity Excel, because that's one thing that I've heard feedback from a lot of you, that Celebrity is missing out on the hydrotherapy pools or the hot tubs, specifically located inside the spa. This is going to allow for the ultimate relaxation on board the Excel, and I couldn't be more happier for you if you are someone that is getting ready to go on and have your Aqua Class stateroom already booked. Celebrity Flagship is the next experience that they just announced on board the Excel, and this is fascinating to me. They said it's going to be part interactive, part museum, part shopping, and part homage to celebrities' history and past. So it looks like you're going to be able to go in and learn. I don't know if everyone wants to learn on their vacation, but for celebrity superfans, this area looks like it's going to be quite interesting. And again, for those of you that shop, it's another area on board the ship that you can pick up those more celebrity-focused luxury goods. Okay, I got through the list of the things that have been announced. Now, Celebrity is teasing the 7th experience has yet to be announced, and they're really building it up. This makes me think that it's something that people are going to love, that there's going to be a lot of fanfare about, and it's not something that's new, but something that is old. The 7th experience that we believe is going to be on the Celebrity Excel is Murano. Now, we could be way off base here, but we have already heard some rumors flying around that Murano would be making a comeback in some form with Celebrity in the future. We didn't know if this would be just an addition to existing ships, or maybe put on some of the renovated ships that would be coming out in the coming years. But because they're teasing this and wording this in the way that they are, we fully believe that they're going to put a Murano on board the Celebrity Excel. And I know if you've sailed the Solstice class before, Murano is probably your favorite restaurant. It definitely is Jared and I's favorite restaurant, and we know that there is so much excitement and love surrounding Murano when people are sailing on the Solstice class ships. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you would be as excited to see a Murano on board the Celebrity Excel. Now, if this is not the 7th experience, please do not come for us. We are, of course, celebrity cruisers. We love celebrity. And so this is what we're hoping the 7th experience will be. But of course, as always, maybe that's not going to be what they announce. I guess we're going to have to wait and see, but we're only months away from the Celebrity Excel hitting the waters with paying passengers, and we are so excited to see the Caribbean's newest ship be home to all of these awesome experiences. Let me know what you think about this video today in the comments below. If you are interested in booking the Celebrity Excel, you can reach out to us. Head on over to jjcruise.com. We are actively booking celebrity cruises for people every day, and we would love to help get you on this awesome ship. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out. My name is Jordan, and until next time, see ya.